Hello everyone, I am Payal Bhattacharjee, PGT Computer Science, KV number 1 Kashtrapara, your teacher, guide and motivator for all of you. Hope all of you are maintaining good mental and physical health. If you only carry one thing throughout your entire life, let it be hope. Let it be hope that better things are always ahead. Let it be hope that you can get through even the toughest of times. Let it be hope that you are stronger than any challenge that comes your way. As the pandemic COVID 19 dominates world news, let it be hope that you are exactly where you are meant to be right now and that you are on the path to where you are meant to be. Because during these times, hope will be the very thing that carries you through. So never stop learning and let's move on. So I welcome all of you with the very first class of class 12 informatics practices, subject code 065, session 2020-21. This syllabus has been prescribed by CBSE. Let us discuss about 70 marks theory paper syllabus, which is of 3 hours time. The prerequisite knowledge which you need is the IP syllabus, which you have already learned in class 11th. Now let us see the distribution of marks as per the unit wise distribution. The first unit is data handling using pandas and data visualization, which is of 30 marks. Unit 2, database query using SQL, which is of 25 marks. Introduction to computer networks of 7 marks. Societal impacts of 8 marks. This makes total 70. And practical you have of 30 marks, which we will discuss later. So on total 100 marks. Unit 1, data handling using pandas and data visualization. I have divided this into 3 chapters. First, data handling using pandas 1. In that, introduction to Python libraries will be there, where we will learn about the Python libraries, pandas, matplotlib, etc. Then data structures in pandas, which will consist of series and data frames. And the next topic, series and data frames. So we will learn here creation of series from ND array, dictionary, scalar value, mathematical operations, head and tail functions, and various other functions like selection, indexing, and slicing with series. And with data frames also we will learn how to create a data frame from dictionary of series, list of dictionaries, and then text and CSV files we will learn. Display iteration operations on rows and columns, add, select, delete, rename, head and tail functions with data frames, indexing using labels, and various other things like Boolean indexing, joining, merging, and concatenation, importing, exporting data between CSV files and data frames. In chapter 2 is data handling using pandas 2. This is very interesting. You have descriptive statistics, which you learn in economics also. Max, min, count, sum, mean, median, mode, quartile, standard deviation, variance. These topics we will cover in descriptive statistics. Some of the data frame operations like aggregation, group by sorting, deleting, and renaming index, pivoting, etc. And handling missing values, dropping and filling, and then MySQL and pandas. So importing and exporting data between MySQL database and Pandas. We'll learn the how to connect Pandas program with MySQL database. And chapter 3 is a bit different from Pandas. It is on data visualization. It's quite interesting also. Purpose of plotting, we will learn different types of plots under Matplotlib library, like line plot, bar graph, histogram, pie chart, frequency polygon, box plot and scatter plots. These kind of plots, plotting, we will learn how to draw and save these plots. These are very interesting, and you have already learned these kind of thing in your mathematics before class 10th. You have seen line chart and pie chart. So here what we will do is we will do this kind of plotting using Python programming. So it will be very interesting. So moving on to unit 2, this is your favorite part, database query using SQL. Chapter 4 I've kept as library functions. Under library functions, we will learn math functions, text functions and date functions. And we will also revise a bit of database concepts and the different types of queries like create, insert, delete, drop, update, alter and select, which you have learned in class 11. Those queries also we will revise before coming on to library functions. And then moving on to chapter 5, aggregate functions, querying and manipulating data, operations on relations. Here we will learn about different aggregate functions or group functions like max, min, avg, sum, count using count star, and then group by, having and order by, and then different operations on relations like union, intersection, minus, Cartesian product, joins, etc. Coming on to unit 3, introduction to computer networks. We have types of network devices, network topologies, and then a bit of terminologies from internet like URL, www, web, email, chat, VoIP, and website, difference between a website and a web page, static versus dynamic web page, etc., web server and hosting of a website, and then about something about web browsers. Moving on to unit 4, societal impacts. In this, we will learn about the different awareness people must know in today's world of cyber space. Here, you should know about digital footprint, net and communication etiquettes, data protection, intellectual property rights, plagiarism, licensing and copyright, free and open source software, cybercrime and cyber laws, hacking, phishing, cyberbullying, overview of Indian IT Act, e-waste, hazards and management, awareness about health concerns related to the usage of technology. Basically, these all topics under societal impacts are the burning topics, and we should know this. So this much is all about the theory part of 70 marks, and moving on to practical syllabus of 12 IP, which is of 30 marks. Here you will have to give a lab test for 13 marks, 13, 8 plus 5. 8 marks question will be there based on programs using Pandas and Matplotlib, and 5 marks question will be there on SQL queries. That makes 13. And then practical report file, you will have to make one practical file where minimum of 20 programs must be there on Pandas and 5 based on Matplotlib, and 20 SQL queries must be included in the practical file. Project work and its report carries 7 marks, and you will have to make a project report along with it CD which will contain your project report and the entire project application along with its executable file. This will be of 7 marks. Finally, Viva of 5 marks. So total 30 marks. 13 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5. That makes 30. So thank you so much. All the best, all of you.